Skills. 5. Listen to Kate talking about the lifestyles of her father and her uncle. Decide whether the following statements are true, T, or false, F.
My father and my uncle have different lifestyles. My father's is usually busy and fast-paced. He goes to work early and gets home late. He often has meals at work or eats a takeout meal. He plays sport and exercises 5 times a week. Last month he worked late and studied past midnight for his master's course assignment. My uncle has a quite different lifestyle from my father. He is easygoing and relaxed. He spends his free time watching TV or surfing the internet. He rarely goes to the sports centre. He enjoys pop music very much, so he often wears earphones even when he's on the bus. He seems to have nothing to worry about.